to put the top dash bolts back in. An easier way to do it, I use tacky tape, which is just sticky tape. And I'll take a piece of it, put it in the top of my 10mm wiggler, and just press the bolt into it, and it'll hold it. And that way, when I stick it down in that hole, it won't fall off. Then I can just kind of, sometimes I'll shine the light in the mirror in the front windshield, and I can see down in that hole and guide. I can see where I got to go to get it started. And if you're lucky, it'll go right in. You can kind of start it with your fingers. I always tighten it with a ratchet, with a rag on it so I don't hit